Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this simple model in Solidworks 2016. It's very simple. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a new sketch on top play. So select top play and the sketch. Select center, add a line, make dimension 100. Select this midpoint, make coincident. Okay, next we need edge basis distance 20 and select middle play. Okay, and we need to select front play and create a new sketch. Create the half circle and align, make dimension 100. Select this point horizontal. Make coincident. And oh sorry, 120. Okay, next we need select extrude 20 and select middle play. Okay, next we need to use loaf and select this face and this face. So select this face, now this face. 1, 2. Next we need a start constraint, normal to profile and normal to profile. So we need to change the start point here. Okay. Next we need to create the hole, 2 hole, 15. So select top and sketch. Create a new circle. The dimension 50. And select cut. Select all both. Another side is front sketch. Create a circle. The dimension 50. Use cut and select all both. Okay. Next we need to fillet the edge 5 mm. Okay. And we need to add the chamfer edge 2 mm chamfer. Okay. We need to change the appearance. So select Hello. Yes. Okay, we quickly finishing the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.